Yo guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another trade recap. We just got back from the gym, about to eat some protein, you know what I'm saying? Get the exposure down. So yeah guys, got this huge burger with eggs, gotta get all that protein in for breakfast. Yeah, a little double smash burger action going on. Anyways, about to eat that, and then we'll get into the trade recap. So what happened today? Plus $900 green day across 3 accounts, 2 funded, 1 live, and no news Monday, guys. Wasn't expecting much. Instead, we got some insane, beautiful price action. Caught a nice long on my 3 accounts, and yeah, I'm about to get into that recap after I eat my food. So let's get it, guys. Alright, y'all. Today is not only a good day for me, but also for my friend. He just got he's about to get his first payout. If the thing will focus. Whatever. But he's about to get his first payout, guys. He's going to get a fat payout, like almost $3,000, trading with Top Step. So it's a day to celebrate, guys. It's a good day for me, good day for him. And yeah, guys, we are back. And let me get this screen recording set up real quick, and then let's go over this one trade that I took today. Alright, so we're going to actually go ahead and go over the proof on TradeMate, and then we're going to go over the actual trades on TradingView, because I decided to start putting all of my trades on TradingView now, so it'll be easier for me to do weekly recaps, and I'll have all the trades I took during the week for my weekly recaps. So yeah, guys, but as you can see, we're on the 30-minute time frame right now. If we switch to the 5, you can see the trade that we took. What a clean trade, you guys. I mean, we just caught this beautiful dub, and I mean, bro, like almost no drawdown. I'm pretty sure it might have been like $5 or possibly $10 drawdown right after we entered, because we entered before this candle actually closed. So we entered probably like about a minute into this 5-minute candle, maybe a little less, I don't know. But yeah, we maybe like $5 or $10 of drawdown, but then absolutely straight to TP, guys. And yeah, I mean, one thing that the only thing I'm upset about today is that this trade should have been a trade that I held for a 3-to-1 R, and I'll go over that in a little bit later, why I should have held. But yeah, for now, that's the trade we took, you can see. And let's go into this. So these are all my funded accounts, okay? So go to today, $330 trade, 100% win rate. We were in this trade for 28 minutes, 51 seconds, so about 30 minutes. It's a pretty good time to be in a trade for. We can see all of that. So this is on my first funded account. And then this is going to be the second funded account that we just got not too long ago, the same exact trade. And yeah, this actually brought the funded account back in profit. So if you remember, started this funded account a couple days ago, and we had a red week last week. So we were able to bounce back today and bring that account back in profit. Only like $50, but still. Better than being in drawdowns. So yeah, hopefully we can reach our profit target with this account soon and get payout from this account and the other account. So anyways, those are the funded account trades, and now let's go into let's go into the live account and go over the trade that we took in the live account. So same exact trade, guys, just gonna go over the proof real quick for the live account. And yeah, you can see here, same trade, boom, really good trade. That's the 5. You see the 30-minute, we basically entered this at the beginning of this 30-minute candle, held through a little bit of this one, and go to today, right, $330, minus $7 on fees. That's crazy. But anyways, 12 P&L, 323, 100% win rate. What a nice trade, guys. So yeah, that's all the proof that we need for this trade. Now let's go on to TradingView, and boom, TradingView. This will give you a better visual representation of my trade. So, and I went ahead and marked level out. So basically, y'all remember, what is this, the 5? Let's switch to the 30 real quick. Y'all remember how we had this insane sell-off on Friday, right? And initially on Friday, I actually thought we were going to be bullish, but I quickly changed that idea when we started selling off, taking out lows and all of that stuff. So I'm pretty sure Friday started somewhere around here. I don't remember, and I don't really care to check. But we had this huge sell-off, guys. I mean, yeah, we were up here at one point, and we just completely tanked. And then we sort of stabilized around here, right? So on the 30-minute time frame, I went ahead and marked this area as my area of supply, just the body of this 30-minute candle. And I wanted to see how price react to this level. So we came up and came back down during pre-market. We tapped into a level, and we came right back up, and we kind of started chopping around a little bit. So if we switch back to the 5, we can find what my entry point was. So boom, guys. Where was New York Open? Let's see. New York Open was, I'm pretty sure, New York Open was this candle. So after we had a nice influx of buyers during pre-market off of my area supply, I waited for the first 30-minute candle to happen, and what ended up happening was we had a push down at the open, and then we had a push right back up, and then we had this slow sell-off, and basically sellers weren't able to push price below this low. We ended up having a nice rejection or continuation to the upside, and then once the next 30-minute candle opened, this was the open of the next 30-minute candle right here. So I noticed that we were continuing to push up with high volume, and yeah, once we kind of just broke through VWAP is where I entered at, right? So we started breaking through VWAP with high volume. I mean, guys, this is such a simple trade. Literally just a pre-market rejection off of my area of supply. At open, we tried to push back down. Buyers kind of combated. We had a couple more attempts to push down. You can see by these wicks that buyers were pushing back. You know, we had this candle here that pushed down again. Then we had this candle that kind of showed buyers were ready to push back, and then we had a high volume. Second 30-minute candle of the day, we had a high volume push above VWAP, and that is where I entered in on this candle. And I mean, this candle was such a good candle to enter in on. We immediately went up to around a 1-to-1 R, and we had a little bit of maybe profit taking, a little bit of sellers trying to get in, but we ended up buying up all those sell attempts, and we just pushed, guys, right to TP. So yeah, TP was originally somewhere around these highs. However, the third 30-minute candle of the day opened with insane amount of volume, which this on the 5, this candle right here is the third 30-minute candle of the day. So that is why I said I should have held this trade, guys. I should have held for a 3-to-1 R instead of just getting out a 2-to-1 R. Also, I already went to the market expecting a bullish day. You know, like, biases are a good thing to have, you know, as long as you're adaptable with them. If you think that price is going to be bullish and you see that it's actually bearish, then you should switch your bias. But I was expecting us to continue pushing up just because of all the pre-market stuff that happened. All right, so what I was trying to say was we came in, tapped this level, pushed back up. Sellers were unable to break this low here, and we kind of just chopped around a little bit, and then on the second 30-minute candle of the day, buyers started to come in, and we started to get a lot of buy-side volume. We pushed, and then the third 30-minute candle of the day opens with huge buy pressure, or huge volume towards the buy side, and I just got out at the 2-to-1 R, or like what is it, 2.46, whatever. But anyways, this was a trade that I should have held just based on the amount of volume there was from buyers, and also the fact that we were coming off of a really steep red week, right? So I should have been able to hold this trade, you know. Unfortunately, I didn't, but I can't complain. It was a really solid trade in the end. So yeah, I really can't complain about it, you know. But yeah, maybe next time I will be able to hold this trade. I went ahead and journaled it. I noted the R to R that we ended up hitting. And yeah, guys, let's measure this real quick. So we caught, what was that, 65 ticks. Yeah, 65 ticks is what we caught. Pretty solid. Traded with 4 micros, of course. And yeah, I mean, this was just a really clean trade. Super happy with how it played out. We can see, this is what I was talking about here. The second 30-minute candle of the day opened with a lot of buy side pressure, barely any bottom wick too. So yeah, could have held for this through this 30-minute candle, but unfortunately I didn't, and you know, it's okay. A W trade is a W trade, you know. Still happy with it. Of course, it was a very clean trade, very minimal drawdown, and just like I just really love the simplicity on this trade, you know. One more time, you know, he tapped into my zone. I have the zones, always mark out my zones with 30-minute time frame. But anyways, we tapped into the zone. We had this push up, basically taking out this 30-minute candle that pushed down into the zone. And then, you know, had a little bit of rejection at the open, and buyers ended up bringing price back up, and that's where we entered. Yeah, so I'm super happy with how this trade played out, and hopefully we can catch another W tomorrow. Alright, you guys, before we get into the outro, I just thought of one more thing that I want to kind of say. If you're struggling with like trading and like really understanding your strategy, instead of trying to understand like obviously you want to know your strategy, but I think one of the most important things to understand when you're trying to accomplish anything, really not just trading, is understanding why things happen, you know. So for example, today buyers or sellers tried to bring price back down. We had an area of interest. I wanted to see where price reacted off of. Sellers were unable to bring price back down, so buyers stepped in with a lot of volume and pushed price back up. So that's just a super simple sort of explanation on why the trade happened, you know. Obviously there's no like definitive way to know exactly why the trade happened, but that's kind of what I saw in the markets today and what I thought was the reasoning behind why my trade happened. So, you know, I'm not just trading because markets tapped into my zone. I'm trading based on why I believe this trade was going to reverse. It's basically like a thesis. So if you guys are struggling with like catching winning trades, kind of just take that mindset or take that little idea and just think of why would this make sense in the markets. And that's something that's helped me a lot with my trades and becoming more consistent over time, you know. So yeah, just wanted to kind of give that little piece of advice I've learned from just trading these funded accounts, trading my live account. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Plus $900 green day across 3 accounts. Really nice way to start off the week, you know. Also, it was a no news Monday, so we weren't expecting much, but yeah, we got some really clean price action. Super happy about that. And yeah, I will catch you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed this recap, and peace out.